Born on November 16, 1717, in Paris as Jean-Baptiste le Rond d'Alembert, he was abandoned at a church steps as an infant and raised by a glazier's family. Though his foster mother discouraged his ambitions, he secretly received a fine education funded by his biological father. He studied law and mathematics in Paris and soon emerged as a leading thinker of the Enlightenment. In 1743, he published Traité de dynamique, introducing what we now call D'Alembert's principle, a landmark in rational mechanics. D'Alembert's analytical mind tackled fluid dynamics and wave motion. He devised the famous D'Alembert operator and formula for solving the wave equation, and illuminated paradoxes in fluid flow that still challenge physics students. From around 1746 to 1758, he collaborated with Denis Diderot as co-editor of the monumental Encyclopédie, contributing mathematical, scientific, philosophical, and music articles. His preliminary discourse laid out the Enlightenment ideal that knowledge must be organized and accessible to empower society. Elected to the French Academy in 1754 and named permanent secretary in 1772, D'Alembert mentored figures like Laplace and championed scientific independence. Despite royal offers, he chose to remain in Paris, dedicated to reason and public intellectual life. He died on October 29, 1783, in Paris. Though health issues marred his final years, his legacy endures, in mathematics, physics, philosophy, and the Enlightenment's grand vision of knowledge unified by reason. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, Atomic Gear, for more scientific content.